We have this magazine, popular one in school called Bal Bhaskar. So I have this column that comes every week, and we take it up for discussion in our psychology, clinical psychology class, in terms of the suggestions given and the disorders that are mentioned herein. This is on adolescence.
But that was a. They are not being considered. Okay. They do not come out with proceedings. What to do later on. These are our.
So incidentally, we've had 3 workshops, international workshops in this department. I happen to have picked up my phone. So we've had 3 of those workshops conducted by the psychology students, because most of them dealt with therapeutic procedures in psychology. So this is what we've also had a UGC seminar conducted by the department in 2012, and numerous activities that we do.
This
is a disused one. This is a disused one. This is a used classroom. Probably they must have had a group discussion or something, which is why the chairs there. Part of it is used by the economics because it's a small group that we have.
Quickly introduce yourself. All the
We'll see the publication.
Self-publication.
And I would like to focus on the advanced learners. So before that, I would like to speak about the national workshop that we conducted. It was sponsored by UGC, and we had 110 participants in the workshop.
I would like to see the grant order of the UGC.
Yes, sir.
For all seminars.
Would you like to see the documents right now, sir?
No, UGC center.
Then teaching methods that we make use of. One of our faculty conducted a research session on the use of the software.
Use comics also for your...
Yes, sir, we make use of the comic strips as well as cartoons. Like for comic, making use of Charlie Chaplin character for the management concepts and theories. And then...
Can you show 1 or 2 attempts like this?
Yes, sir, I can. Just because if you... He's also working like a cog, and finally he's coming out as an end product. So it's like being mechanical in your work, and that's how from the scientific management, the further ahead the theories were built with the behavioral studies coming in by Edelman. Right? So
just 2 minutes. Just 1 to 30 seconds.
Can you just move ahead to the use of the cartoon character Calvin and Hobbes? You can just go through the entire dialogue that is taking place between Calvin and Hobbes. It's again a cartoon character. Hobbes is a tiger. So how the law of diminishing marginal utility concept
No, show me one this thing.
Then we can take a look.
Yes.
Law of diminishing marginal.
Yeah, show me one cartoon here.
Basically, people are boring.
These are the cartoons, so just because smart boards entered in very late, so this is
show me one
where
how you are
smart
using
boards.
Sure.
Sure, sir. You can have a look at the class.
No, that is why I am asking. No, just show me one, sir. How you are using the smart board for your teaching?
Sure.
Sure, sir. We will
Yeah, sure. No, they have got smart boards.
And 26 LCDs. You can take photocopies of
See, smart board is almost like computer.
It's like a
You should have a memory and all that.
So, like in making use of the cartoon characters on the chart, I got it made by a student just because my handwriting is not good. So, can I just have the newsletter and the research work done by the students? This is a newsletter which has been made by the students, so that when we publish their papers, research papers also. One is in print right now.
Published annually?
So we started in 2015, and this time it is due. It's under printing right now. But if you would like to have a look at the soft copy,
It's
we have.
2017.
Yes, sir, but then we go by the academic session. So 15, 16, 16, 17. Yes.
5 departments. Commerce, 5 departments.
No, literary. We have a literary newsletter also.
Yeah, 5
we have
departments.
Magnum by the management. No, those are journals.
These are mentioned in the SSR.
Journals.
The last department.
Only commerce.
You haven't done that.
Commerce, sir.
अरे मैंने
36 से काम कर दिए
मार्जिन आ गया
बीएनएस कॉलेज का एटीएस का
Okay, started.
हाँ ये रासायनिक अकाउंट है काफी
Charlie Chaplin वाला हाँ जी, I'll show you Charlie Chaplin as well. मेरे पास ना शॉल के लिए है अभी फिलहाल, उसके लिए नहीं, टेलर का मेरे लिए दिख नहीं रहा है, मुझे ये अच्छा नहीं था। हाँ ये सर, reading the instructions and then putting the entire thing together, so students are able to connect better with the issue of the cartoon characters. So this is something which goes for Henry Ford's. And how it is important to work in a team, just because at the end of the video, just because Charlie is taken as to be the one who is the weakest of the link, so what he does is he carries the final nail which has to be kind of nailed into the entire structure. So he carries the final nail and the entire structure which they had put up together, it crumbles down. It's like using my team members.
We have and psychology guy. So where you went, he's also got his entire psychology. See much better classrooms themselves.
You show me a smart board.
Smart board. Anand ko bulao, smart board. And then you know after that. I was a UGC appointee right from day one. One of those. One so it used to be entirely good.
Simply you have to complete 55% you are appointed.
And I'm doing merit list, so I just went in. So I'm starting
This is your department probably.
Yes.
Yes, this is the department.
This is the most recent one.
We have
First
one more.
5 at yeah. We have the entire 5.
You started this?
Some 2013. Started the first honors batch.
So,
This is the
this was actually Shakespeare's anniversary, 500th year.
उनको पता था ना सब इशू मांगेंगे
नहीं ये मेरे डिपार्टमेंट की ट्रेनिंग है, आप ऐसे बोलो ना, मैं तो आई नहीं, मुझे फुर्सत ही नहीं दिया.
Generally all these magazines are done by the English department only.
Students play a big role in this, sir. The making of the magazine and
No, it's actually the students who make it.
magazines are always by the student and for the student. It is never for the
readership is also for students.
See, what is the difference between college teaching, undergraduate teaching and postgraduate teaching? So at undergraduate level, creativity and out-of-box thinking is expected. And at postgraduate level, research is expected. So these are all the activities whereby you are promoting creativity and out-of-box thinking. So you are doing good job. So far as your department is concerned.
थोड़ा सा दिखा दो.
And ISEC stands for
ISEC stands for
International Society for Applied Commerce.
With enactment on stage, so there will be a performance of a poetry over at the Highwayman by English Honours first semester students. So the year they join, we expose them.
Would you like to see publication? No, do देखना चाहूँ.
Student research.
These are research because of H6. This
This I think I saw.
Faculty research.
सर यहाँ पे
Categorize this as a research paper or what?
This is the
Sorry,
publisher.
madam, you categorize it as an article or a research paper? This is okay, this is a very yeah, it is like a critical analysis. And then the study is made. So that I consider is something you know the student is studying and then giving is okay. That is only like writing an article. That's not it. No, madam, we can't.
मैडम आप चेक नहीं
नहीं, 5 साल का कर रहे हो, आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते सर.
No, we have understood already, no. There's no problem.
You have to look at 5 years. Sorry, please come.
So, and also, she belongs to a older generation, my generation. So, obviously, we are very truthful to our.
These are
Was both language and business communication. And here in literature, I taught everything, you know.
Now, why I am asking is, I want to invite you as a resource person to my college. So, I'm just thinking where I can use you. I mean, invite you as that's what I'm doing.
I mean,
So, I got some
have done
personal reason.
contemporary literature, Shakespeare, American, I've done a lot. See, in institutes like this at the undergraduate level, you know, and my strategy used to be the others. I would tell them, choose what you want to teach, and then whatever
But your
is left.
papers are generally focused on what?
That's a job of
I have
senior faculty.
literature and language, both.
So, more of American literature.
No,
What about
I
Indian
did
writing? Indian writing?
recently on diaspora writing. I've been focusing a lot on interculture these days. So I've done some language research based on interculture. American writers, the second generation and first generation of immigrants, and their writing and comparison. So those are the areas. और भी publications, e-publications कहाँ हैं यार? आपको कितने सारे e-publications?
PhD award in 85.
I went to the American Center.
And that too in science stream.
Madurai.
I did from Sassi Ramakrishna. See, he is almost like your son.
You are right. Many colleges I have visited, they called whiteboard as a smartboard. That is the reason why I asked.
Streaming also. यहाँ भी है.
हाँ दिख गया.
कोई ना आपको क्या